Welcome to Phone Transformer, where we are going to show you exactly how to make a GIF with Android using a simple and free application. Creating your own animations is a great way to share funny moments with friends, so now let's get started. Step 1 is to open the Play Store on your Android device, which is the official marketplace for downloading all your mobile applications. Step 2 involves using the search bar to look for the application called GIF Maker app among the various results. Step 3 is to download and open the GIF Maker app once the installation process is complete on your phone. Step 4 is to tap on the Video to GIF option located on the main dashboard of the application. Step 5 requires you to select the video you want to use from your library, which opens your phone's storage to browse your recorded clips. Step 6 is to trim the video as needed and tap on the tick in the right upper corner to confirm your selection. Step 7 involves tapping on the tick in the right upper corner again once you have finished your basic editing. Step 8 is to adjust the speed of the GIF using the speed option to make the animation play faster or slower. Step 9 is to tap on OK to process and save the GIF to your gallery, then head over to your Photos app to see the final result. This final step completes the conversion and stores the new file in your local storage so you can share it across social media. Thank you so much for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips.